Negotiating deals between charterers and ship owners can be a lengthy and exhausting process. But with DealGo, it's a whole new ball game. Say goodbye to days of back-and-forth emails and confusing Word files. DealGo makes it easy, fast, and crystal clear. With notifications and an AI assistant by your side, you'll wrap up negotiations in hours, not weeks. Why waste time when you can seal the deal in less than an hour? DealGo, your shortcut to seamless negotiations.
Why do 87% of business owners say DealGo makes negotiations a breeze? Let's find out. DealGo's negotiation interface is designed with simplicity in mind. Imagine handling each term of your contract separately. You can propose a new value, put it under negotiation, or approve it directly. Once saved, DealGo sets a deadline for the other party to respond quickly. When a reply comes in, you can see the history of each term, when it was modified, and what its value was. This transparency ensures you're always in the loop. After several rounds, all terms are agreed upon by both parties. The final step, just a signature from both sides, and your deal is sealed. DealGo transforms the negotiation process, making it smooth, efficient, and stress-free. So why wait? Start sealing your deals effortlessly with DealGo today.